There's no shortage of packing tips on the interweb, but let's face it, most of them are common sense. So we decided to go down the rabbit hole and find 7 advanced packing secrets that most people don't know. Ready for this? Let's get started. At number 7, instead of taking all the usual containers of gels, pastes and lotions that take up a lot of space, instead transfer a small amount into one or more contact lens cases. You can get them at the dollar store or Poundland if you're in the UK. They're the perfect size for a short trip and you'll save a lot of room. Remember too, you can always buy more supplies at your destination if you need to. It's much better to go light than be weighed down with large containers of gloop that you probably won't use. Along similar lines, transfer pills and medication from larger bottles into small plastic bags or a daily dispenser like this one. At number 6, place belts inside the collar of your shirt or blouse. Not only is that normally wasted space, the best part is it also helps to retain the shape of the collar. Clever, right? Number 5 is also about using normally wasted space. Place socks or other small items inside your shoes, then place your shoes inside a shower cap. This uses the space smartly and protects your clothes from getting dirty. At number 4, always pack a universal travel adapter that includes multiple USB outlets. The latest ones even include USB-C ports, and this type of international adapter means all your gear can be charged from one outlet, so you won't have to pack lots of connectors, cables or adapters. At number 3, use packing cubes for your clothes. These nifty inventions cleverly squeeze your clothes into a tighter space, so you'll be able to take more. Not only that, but when you reach your destination, you can simply transfer the cubes from your suitcase to the dresser drawers and you're all set. The best packing cubes are made from parachute fabric and have a mesh top and super strong zips, so they won't break even when you load them up full. And number 2, always carry a portable USB power bank. These days we rely so much on our devices that when the juice runs out, Murphy's Law says that we'll be in a place where there's nowhere to charge up. Avoid that frustration by carrying a high quality USB power bank. You'll be really glad you did. And finally, our number 1 advanced packing tip is simply to add a couple of dryer sheets to the top and bottom of your bag. This simple step costs a mere few pennies and it'll keep your clothes smelling nice and fresh throughout your trip. So there you have it, 7 advanced travel packing tips perfect for travel pros. Thanks for watching that clip. In a moment I'll tell you how you can watch the full episode, but just before that we have a nifty free guide for you, which you can get at travelproshow.com. It's called 7 Top Travel Hacks to Save You Money on Your Next Flight, and it's the ultimate blueprint for getting the best deal every time. For more travel pro tips, subscribe to this channel by clicking on the little bell down there, and then leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed," and I'll personally respond to your comment. Also, since you just watched a clip, you can now watch the full episode of the show here. By the way, thank you for supporting creators like us so that we can continue to bring you high quality original content.